Hello, mothers. Now we are entering into the last month of this year 2025, and as we are approaching in December, exam time is also coming. And whenever these exams come, I do get a point in my mind. I do question ki why our kids are still learning, still not learning. I won't say it's learning. It's just rote learning. It's cramming the long answers, the illogical answers, the unpractical questions which will they never use in their life. I don't know why still our education policy has these things, why they are not changing to assignment based, why they are not putting the books which will increase their leadership qualities, their analytical thinking, their logical based answers. Why they just have to learn the answers, वो मैडम ब्लैक बोर्ड पे लिख देती हैं, या they will ask them to mark in the book, find it. Why it's not like that? What you have learned from this story or from this chapter? क्यों आज भी हमारे बच्चे वही शेक्सपियर की पुरानी किताबें जिसकी अजीब सी इंग्लिश है पढ़ रहे हैं? Why they are not getting the books which have good stories, meaningful stories which can teach them something useful for their coming life? Why they are not getting all these books, and why so many questions come in my mind? Why still they have to learn that C and C++ thing language, and some old language which is now not being used in any, like, I don't know. If you are not taking computer science, I don't know where these kids will use those computer के chapters. So why they are still, क्यों वो इतनी बड़ी क्लासेस तक जीके मॉरल साइंस पढ़ाई जाती है, वो आंसर्स रटे जा रहे हैं? भाई जिसे मॉरल साइंस सीखनी थी उसने सीख ली, जिसे वो जीके के क्वेश्चंस वो किताब से रट कर किसी को याद नहीं रहते हैं एग्जाम्स के बाद, वो सिर्फ एग्जाम के लिए रात को खुलती हैं किताब और वो फिर बंद हो जाती है। इट्स बेटर कि आप बच्चों को ट्रिप पे ले जाएं, वो ज़्यादा जीके वहाँ याद कर लेंगे। उन्हें प्रैक्टिकल चीज़ें सिखाएं, वो ज़्यादा जीके वहाँ कर लेंगे। उनको रोज़ उनकी स्कूल में उन्हें मॉरल वैल्यूज़ प्रैक्टिकली करवाएंगे तो वो ज़्यादा वहाँ सीख लेंगे। सो प्लीज़ आई आस्क गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, please change our education system. Please bring more practical things in our education system. Like in America, they have, I tell you, they have really amazing education system. I think you should ask some retired people from there to come and apply those things practically in our country, because since government is doing such great work in our country, they are putting their best effort to change this system. So if they will hire people from there, their efforts will be like बहुत अच्छे हो जाएंगे, वो दिखेंगे। थैंक यू मदर, थैंक यू एवरीवन, प्लीज़।